Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WordPress site, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your WordPress site, begin by visiting the official WordPress website. Select the Get Started button for the sign up process. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Fill in the required account information. This typically includes your email address, a username, and a password. Once you've filled out the form, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will receive a confirmation email to verify your address. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Click on the verification link provided in that email. After verification, return to the WordPress dashboard. Now, you will be prompted to choose a domain name for your site. Enter your desired domain and follow the prompts. If your selected domain is available, proceed to the next step. Here, you will need to complete your payment information if you chose a paid plan. After completing the payment, you will land on the site setup page. You can choose a WordPress theme that fits your site's vision. Select a theme and click Continue. Now, customize your site title and tagline on the next screen. Fill in the details as necessary and click Continue. Your website is now being set up. This process may take a few moments. Once the setup is complete, you will be redirected to your new WordPress dashboard. From here, you can start customizing your site. Navigate to the Settings menu to adjust general site settings. To publish your first post, go to the Posts section and click Add New. Enter your content and click Publish when you're ready. Your WordPress site is now active and ready for you to share. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.